You're here to learn how you can stream an online course on your website. So you will need a WordPress site, WP Stream, OBS Studio, and your phone or your webcam. I'm Beatrice and I've been helping streamers like yourself go live on their website and monetize streams and videos for about 6 years now. First thing I'm doing here is going to my WordPress admin and going to plugins and looking up WP Stream. So this is the plugin that we're using to actually go live on our websites to sell courses. I'm installing and activating the plugin, and I'm also either registering or logging in. In my case, I'm logging into an account that I already have, but you can also register. And once I've logged in, I am prompted to create a free to view channel or a pay per view channel, and I want to name my channel online course. So just like that, I've just added my channel and I just want to add a few more details such as the description, some tags, categories, featured images, and things like that. Once I've added all these details and I'm happy with this channel, I have updated it, published it, and I'm going to channel settings. From here, we want to record live stream. So we want to record our course so that we can sell it later. If this is a free channel, we want to sell the actual video after. You can also display viewer count and you can check out other settings as well. Now I have turned on my channel, and once my channel is on, I can go ahead and click on Go Live with External Streaming App. And my choice for today is OBS Studio. I'm going to Settings, Stream, under Service, select Custom, and copy paste the server and stream key from WP Stream to OBS Studio. Click on OK, and from here, click on Start Streaming. And just as simple as that, we are already live. So let's go check out our live stream by exiting this and clicking on View Channel. It will take us straight to the page with our course, our live stream playing. So here is our live stream that is playing from OBS Studio. I've connected OBS Studio to my WordPress site. And yeah, I'm just streaming just as quickly as 2 minutes, 3 minutes almost. And once I'm done streaming, I will go back to OBS Studio and click on Stop Streaming, and my live stream will end. And that is basically it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay tuned. Bye.